drinking honey. That's what happens when you use a smoker instead of attacking me when I open this. You see they're not attacking too bad. But of course I gave them a little smoke. Got it going really good. And I don't just put a bunch in there once it's open. There's no need, because then they'll just make that cream run away, and I want a critter. So I just keep everybody calm and get started and hurry up and get my work done. Vacuum all these seeds first, and then cut the honeycomb out. The customer will get the honey, of course. There's a mud dauber nest at the back side of it. Mud daubers and bees often live in the same cavity. Mud dauber's favorite spider is the black widow, and black widows like to live by beehives, so it's always good to see those mud dauber nests in there. Anyways, we're here in Clear Lake City. Well, not Clear Lake City, Clear Lake Shore. It's really fun. There's my box. There's the vacuum cage.